Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off screen time on your Windows 10 computer. So assuming you're an adult and you just want to turn this off, or for some reason it was accidentally turned on, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial on how to do that. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do, just make sure you're signed into an administrator account and open up the start menu, type in msconfig. Best result should come back with system configuration. Go ahead and open that up. Select the Services tab, and then go down to Parental Controls. You may want to click on the column title up here, Service, to go ahead and change the ascending or descending order of the services here. And locate Parental Controls. You want to go ahead and uncheck that box, so leave it an empty square. And then once you have it like you see it here, select Apply and OK. You will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're unable to get into your Microsoft account for whatever reason right now, or like I said, this could just be a complete bug that you were experiencing, like I imagine most of you guys probably are, then that is why you'd be on this tutorial. Again, pretty straightforward process, guys. We're gonna go ahead and restart our system. And there you go, guys, simple as that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.